Hello everyone, in front of me is MOTOROLA Moto G54 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first, enroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Then find and select wallpaper. Click on change wallpaper and you can either choose one from your photos or some on-device wallpaper. Also you can go with live wallpapers, however you like. But let me choose one from on-device wallpapers, for example this one. So now you can see how it looks on your home and lock screen, and if you want to apply it on both, tap on confirmation mark and click on home and lock screens. And that's it. As you can see, from now on this wallpaper is covering both your home and lock screens. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.